Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin daily chart. Here we are again, red line of resistance. We saw the price action get rejected here, actually broke through the overhead resistance here, but then used it as support multiple times, hugging the trend line or the horizontal support. Then after losing the level, you see it getting rejected. So you basically, the idea is all your sell orders are loaded right here. Okay, for any upside ideas, you need Bitcoin to break and flip this level. If we take out this bigger pattern right here, right? And what I like to do a lot of times is I'll come in and I'll draw range high, range low. So this is obviously range low, range high, and this is the mid range. Okay, and so you assume that if you break the mid range to the upside, you go to the range high. And here's where we're at. And we're in a giant bear flag. Could we come up and hit the upper trend line of this bear flag? Bear flag. Sure. But probabilities say, technical analysis says, this is supposed to break lower. Now, will it respect technical analysis? We're going to look at some other ideas from the stock market, other ideas going on in crypto to see if we can get a little bit more of an edge as far as this goes. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. And you see, you've had plenty of noise. This is a rising wedge. There's a 68% chance it breaks to the downside and it's at this resistance level. If this thing busts through, you can see higher prices. I might see 18,500. If it breaks to the downside, 16,400. So it's real easy. If you're thinking about making a trade, if you see this break and flip this level, you go long. And if it breaks to the downside, you short. And it's that simple. It's plan A, plan B. You can't be on an American football team and just go in and say, hey, this is the play. No matter what's happening, this is it. We're calling the play. You've got to have audibles. And that's what we teach in the trading group. If this happens, then do this. If this happens, then do this. Win rate is super high because you're trading both ways. This is Bitcoin CME futures. It's not open right now, but you did have a break and attempt of the red line of resistance and a failure, even though you have all this green volume. So interested to see what happens over the weekend, specifically tomorrow night when futures open. Want to see if the bulls can break and flip this level, and you'll see a run up to here about 18,500. Okay, this is the key make or break. If you get rejected here, again, downside ideas come down here 14,500 down at the bottom of the range. Okay, range low. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he's been a member for 3 or 4 years. He's increased his trading account from 3,000 to 30,000. Most people obviously have lost money. 10x blows my mind. This person, he just closed an ETH position. He's up $14,000. Shout out to Karen on a gem pick, made 2,000. This person up 480%, which is $9,900 on one trade in 24 hours. This person, boom. He turned $2,000 into $4,000 in 15 minutes. We're nailing bangers after banger after banger. Look at this. Mr. Krypton nailed 99% out of CAT, K-A-T. These are all gem pick bangers on Kucoin. There's a VIP link in the description. If you go to that link, you use that link, it does support the channel. FET, Joe has nailed FET for 168%. We do this every day. This is the day before, 24%, 23%, 20%, 17%. It's a lot easier to make money in this market when you're in the green coins. No brainer. It's the biggest no brainer in the history of man, period.
Had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto and an additional $100 off to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com.
Now, AI is about to change the world with no code tools. You don't even have to be a developer. You haven't even built a website before, but you're able to build apps with an AI course and learn to build text and image generating apps using a variety of their tools. This person built 3 projects in 2 hours. Artificial intelligence is about to change the game, and we're going to see some type of run up eventually in crypto on AI coins. And I've given a list out in group multiple times, and I've done it also on this channel. And so make sure you're looking for AI. I mean, you can go to CoinMarketCap and just search AI, and you're looking for the coins that are hot because everybody is paying attention to them. Where the attention goes, the money flows. Shib, Shiba Inu, confirms that Shibarium is going to burn Shib every transaction, which is making it deflationary. Right? Version 2 coming, volumes are expected to even rise. And so this is great news for Shib, but they have so many coins right now in the billions like this. They better start burning. Burn, baby, burn. Just in, the United States government, there it is, there's the word, government, they're coming for crypto, launches an investigation into crypto giant DCG, the parent company of CoinDesk, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and Genesis. Remember, Gemini, write this down. Gemini said they want an answer by the 8th. Write this down. We're looking for, I told you guys, I'm sitting on the sidelines until I see the next crypto crumble unfold. If I miss a bottom, I don't care. I'll make the money in the middle. That's where I do best anyway. This has been just another black eye for crypto, right? So digital currency groups transfers to Genesis draw United States investigation, says Bloomberg. Federal prosecutors are looking at transfers between digital currency group and its Genesis lending unit. According to Bloomberg, Securities and Exchange Commission are also started a probe. So government, federal prosecutors, Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, like these are not names you want to mess with, right? Keep in mind that there's going to be, at some point, the United States is going to come down with some crypto guidelines, some crypto rules, and probably they won't be very friendly for the United States as far as a lot of the securities go. So we just have to see what happens with that. Hasn't happened yet. They've just been putting it off. They don't want to deal with it. They don't know how to deal with it. There's a point where, hey, you go down, you go buy $40 worth of scratch offs at the local gas station, and hey, no big deal here. It supports your, it's like a tax on the poor. This is Bitcoin drawdown from all-time high for the realized cap. And so back in 2012, you saw a 24% drawdown. And then in the bear market here, you saw 2016, or actually it's 2014, 2015, bear market drawdown at 14%. And then here at 16%. And so again, this is the drawdown from the all-time high for the realized cap. Realized is the key, cap of Bitcoin. Now you're at 2022, 2023, you're at 18.8% drawdown. So you've surpassed the 2014, 2015 instance and the 2018, 2019 instance. It's not been amazing. It hasn't been amazing. We've been shorting the heck out of these altcoins, and we've been killing it daily. And that's the key. You have to be able to trade this market both ways. Do you think stock investors are like freaking out right now because all their assets are down. No, they're shorting everything. They're buying gold, right? There's so many different plays that you can have in this market that you need to understand. And in crypto, if you aren't shorting the market, you need to know when to sit on the sidelines, and you need to know when to jump in the coins. And that's what we do in the trading group. DXY not open today, but you had the DXY broke out of this falling wedge. The measured move is essentially right here. So if it broke out here, a measured move is right here. DXY moves up to this level. You're going to see a lot of downside by the altcoins, by Bitcoin, and the stock market, period. This is the altcoin market cap total 2. So all the top 125 altcoins formed this falling wedge, broke out to the upside, and they haven't quite hit the measured move, which would be right about here. You could see another 8 or 9% gains out of the altcoins unless this thing just rolls over. Potentially it could. It's just barely hanging on by this 200 simple moving average. ES1, this made a lot of money. We made a lot of money off of this upside. And so what's possible here? So if you get a run, let's say, so here's this resistance level. If you get a run, you flip this and you get a run up here. If you don't break out and you head back down to the downside, obviously you're shorting everything. But if you do get a breakout to the upside, you're longing all the altcoins, right? The most important thing is you don't want to see a lower low, because then a lower high would be next and this thing would just continue lower. The Fed said, hey, we want to come out and we're not looking to make things easy on people, but what we are doing is working. And so you might see some type of pause. TRX, Justin Sun, is in a bunch of hot water. There's, you know, he's got a stable coin that's breaking to the downside. It's not holding his peg. There's, you know, his Huobi, people are mass exodus. They're taking their funds off of Huobi. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.